to another Storytime Shorty presented by the Carmel Public Library. My name is Terry and I'm a librarian here at the library. So, for this Storytime Shorty, you're going to need your scarf, your sticks, and your ribbon. Okay, ready? What again? We need scarf, sticks, and ribbon. Okay, but before we start using those, we gotta sing our hello song, our song to get us all ready to move and groove. Okay, ready? So if you're ready for some singing, shout hooray, hooray! If you're ready for some singing, shout hooray, hooray! If you're ready for some singing and some dancing and some cheering, if you're ready for some singing, shout hooray, hooray! Good job. Okay, so now that we've gotten ourselves all loose and ready to move, we're gonna start off with our ribbon wand, okay? You guys got it? So we're going to practice. We're going to do a little moves. We're going to do it a little fast. And the first song we're going to sing is Wave Your Wand. Okay, ready? Wave your wand, side to side, side to side. Wave it very high, wave it very low, to and fro, to and fro. Wave your wand, side to side, side to side. Wave it very high, wave it very low, to and fro, to and fro. Yay! Good job! Okay, now we're going to sing Move the Ribbons, okay? Move the ribbons. Ready? Move the ribbons all around, up above, then touch the ground. Move them left and move them right. Move them fast with all your might. Move them real slow. Now let's draw a rainbow. Okay, sing it again. Ready? Move the ribbons all around, up above, then touch the ground. Move them left and move them right. Move them fast with all your might. Move them real slow. Now let's draw a rainbow. Yeah, good job. Okay, let's go ahead and we'll put our ribbons down now. And we're going to do the flannel story time, okay? And this time it's Cookie Monster. Do you see him? Like a Cookie Monster. And he has some cookies here that he's going to eat today. Let's go ahead and count the cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cookies for Cookie Monster. Okay, so 5 little cookies with chocolate chips. Oh no! He's falling down. Let's move him a little bit. Okay, ready? He fell down. Oh no, Cookie Monster, get back up. 5 little cookies with chocolate chips galore. Cookie Monster! He ate one! Nom, 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 nom. And then there were 4. 4 little cookies. There's 2 and 2, you see. Cookie Monster! He ate another! Nom, 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 nom. Cookies. And then there were 3. 3 little cookies. Before I knew, Cookie Monster! He ate more! Nom, 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 nom. And there were 2. 2 little cookies. Oh, what fun! Cookie Monster! He ate another! Nom, 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 nom. Cookie Monster, no more cookies! And that left 1. 1 little cookie. Oh, I'm gonna take it and watch me run. I eat the cookie. And then there were none. That's it for Cookie Monster. See you, bye. Bye, Cookie Monster. Okay, so the next one we're going to use are our sticks. Go ahead and get your sticks out. Remember, sticks are not for hitting, okay? We do not hit other people with sticks, okay? We just use them to tap them against each other so we can make songs. Okay, ready? So first we're going to do, let's start off with the wheels on the bus, okay? Ready? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. beep, beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. All through the town, the wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. What does it go? That's right, the window on the bus goes up and down, up and down, up and down. The window on the bus goes up and down, all through the town. The baby on the bus goes. The baby on the bus goes all through the town. The people on the bus goes. The people on the bus go all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Yay! Okay, so next up is we're gonna sing Tap Your Sticks, okay? Ready? Tap, tap, tap your sticks, tap your sticks today. Tap your sticks very high. Tap your sticks this way. Tap, tap, tap your sticks today. Tap your sticks very low. Tap your sticks this way. Tap, tap, tap your sticks today. Tap your sticks very fast. Very fast. Tap your sticks this way. Tap, tap, tap your sticks today. Tap your sticks very slow. Tap your sticks this way. Tap, tap, tap your sticks today. Tap your sticks however you want. Tap your sticks this way. Good job, everyone. Okay, that's it for the sticks. So let's go ahead. We're going to do a little action, little finger plays. Okay, so we're going to use our hands now. Okay, our hands and our arms for these songs. We're not going to hold anything. So first one we're going to do is, let's do banana song, okay? Ready? Bananas unite. Peel bananas. Peel, peel bananas. Peel bananas. Peel, peel bananas. Chop bananas. Chop, chop bananas. Chop bananas. Chop, chop bananas. Eat bananas. Eat, eat bananas. Eat bananas. Eat, eat bananas. Ready? Go. Bananas. Go, go. Bananas. Go. Bananas. Go, go. Bananas. Good job. Okay, so the next song we're going to sing is Itsy Bitsy Spider. Okay, but we're going to get big, gigantic at the end. Ready? So we're going to start off really normal. Ready? The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Okay, now we're going to do teeny tiny spider. Ready? The teeny tiny spider went up the water spout. He's really small. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the teeny tiny spider went up the spout again. Now it's going to be big, gigantic, okay? Ready? The big, gigantic spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the big, gigantic spider went up the spout again. Good job. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to step back because we're going to do head, shoulders, knees, and toes, okay? So you can see all of it. Okay, ready? So let's try this. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. Okay, now we're going to go faster, okay? Ready? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. We're going to go even faster, okay? You guys ready? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes. I think we can go faster, okay? You guys ready? Ready? We're gonna go super fast. Ready? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes. Good job, you guys. I was so fast. Okay, so for final, we're gonna use the scarf. Okay, you guys got the scarves? Okay, so we're gonna start off with popcorn kernels, okay? Remember, we wave them, we bunch them, we shake them, and then we toss them. Okay, so let's start off with popcorn kernels in the pot, in the pot. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them till they pop, till they pop. Throw it way high, okay? Let's do it one more time. Popcorn kernels in the pot, in the pot. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them till they pop, till they pop. Okay, so ready? This is the way we wave our scarves, wave our scarves, wave our scarves. This is the way we wave our scarves every time we sing. This is the way we toss our scarves, toss our scarves, toss our scarves. This is the way we toss our scarves every time we sing. This is the way we twirl our scarves, twirl our scarves, twirl our scarves. This is the way we twirl our scarves every time we sing. This is the way we, okay, this one's gonna be hard, okay? This is the way we blow our scarves, blow our scarves, blow our scarves. This is the way we blow our scarves every time we sing. This is the way we bunch our scarves, bunch our scarves, bunch our scarves. This is the way we bunch our scarves every time we sing. Let's end it. This is the way we wave our scarves, wave our scarves, wave our scarves. This is the way we wave our scarves every time we sing. Yay! Good job. Okay, that's about it for this Storytime Shorty. Be sure to check out books. We have surprise bags, so if you just want to sign up and we give you a couple books, sign up for that and we can have books for you on Fridays. Okay, if you need any help with anything in the library and our services, be sure to give us a call and we can get you that. So before we leave though, we got to sing our goodbye song, okay? Now it's time to say goodbye, so let's wave. Now it's time to say goodbye, so let's wave. Now it's time to say goodbye, so give a wave and reach up way high, reach up, reach! Ah! Now it's time to say goodbye, so let's wave. Bye everyone, thanks for joining me for this one, okay? Bye!